Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable wool succulent that's great for adding a little bit of green to your workspace or even as a gift that was sure to impress your family and friends. These little wool succulents are simple to make and require no sewing at all. Before we begin, download our free succulent pattern, which is linked in the description box so you can get started right away. Cut out the pattern to pin or trace onto your wool fabric. The wool we'll be using is a superior grade virgin Australian merino wool with colors by Sue Spargo. It comes in a variety of colors and color coordinates with our threadline Elana, which is a wool and acrylic material, making it easy to match with our wool colors. Based on the pattern, we'll begin making succulent number 1. To give my succulent a more realistic appearance, I'll be adding some lipstick to the edges of the petals. Take piece 1A and use a hot glue gun to apply the hot glue onto the center of the piece. Make sure you create a ring of glue when sticking each piece, which will help create dimension and height for your succulent. Before the glue cools, take piece 1B and place it offset and on top of piece 1A. Press the pieces together tightly to create your base. Take piece 1C and glue lines on the sliver and join the ends to create a subtle cone shape. Then take the base, pieces 1A and B, and again create a ring of glue and place piece 1C onto the base. Repeat the same step for pieces 1D and 1E. When you have finally glued the pieces from 1A to D, we can now glue the last part of this succulent. Take 1F and roll the piece, creating a cylinder shape. Then glue the bottom of F to the base to complete. Now let's move on to making succulent number 2. Before we proceed, I'll be using this darker eyeshadow color to add depth, like shown. For succulent number 2, we will assemble it like the method shown for 1. First, take 2A and create a glue ring. Then take 2B and adhere the bottom of 2B onto 2A. Cutting a little X in the centers of pieces 2C to F will help to add a little depth. Now that 2A and B are together, creating your base, repeat, making a glue ring for the remaining 2C to F. Finish your succulent by placing it in a cute pot or arranging it on a small tray. And voila! You created these quick, easy, and cute succulents that will brighten up your space and do not require watering. These succulents can easily be altered for different shapes, so get creative and use different colors of wool as well. If you make this project, don't forget to tag us on Facebook at WonderFil, or on Instagram at WonderFil Specialty Threads, or by the hashtag WonderFil, and show us your succulent creations. Let us know in the comment section below what video you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and hit subscribe for more great tips and tutorials. We'll see you all next time.